In the gentle silence of the forest, morning light touches every leaf with warmth. A quiet path winds through the trees, carrying travelers toward peaceful moments. Above, hidden among soft branches, a small family begins their day. 5 tiny chicks wait together, safe in their carefully built home. Their mother returns with food, landing softly beside them. Soon, the father joins, calm and devoted. Together, they share the simple work of love. Feeding, caring, protecting. No rush. No noise. Only patience and quiet trust. His is the gentle rhythm of nature. Life growing. Love giving. Peace surrounding all. As footsteps pass below, many never see this tender moment above. But the forest holds the story. And now, so do you.